You write Java code, but can you build a complete system, deploy it to the cloud and power it with AI? This is exactly what this batch is going to teach you. We are going to start a new full stack Java online batch with artificial intelligence, and that too in just 5 months. And this batch we are going to start from 22nd April at 11 AM IST and even 7 PM IST. You can choose the slot whichever is preferred for you based on your availability. More about these course. The prerequisite to join this course, you just require a basic operating system concepts and basic idea on software programming, that too optional. We are going to start from scratch. And this batch we are going to start from 22nd April at 11 AM IST, or you can even join it 7 PM IST. And you can contact us for more details about this batch, and the WhatsApp number is +91 93904 73579, or email us at rajtechonlinetrainings@gmail.com. This course we have divided into 8 powerful modules. That is, module 1 we go with core Java, module 2 we go with the database concepts using SQL, that is MySQL database, and NoSQL MongoDB. Module 3 web technologies, where we are going to discuss about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, React, and even Angular. Module 4 we go with advanced Java, where we go with the concepts like JDBC, servlets, and JSP. Module 5, very important one, frameworks. And in our course we are going to discuss Hibernate framework, Spring framework, Spring Boot, and very important module of Spring, that is Spring AI. That is, we are going to cover generative AI using Spring AI, and we are even going to discuss microservices architecture using Spring Boot. Module 6, one more important module, where we discuss about Linux and AWS cloud. This is very important to deploy our application onto the cloud so that anyone can access our application. Module 7, we are going to discuss some of the important real-time tools and DevOps tools like Docker, Jenkins, and Kubernetes, and some of the tools like GitHub, Maven, Postman, all those tools we are going to cover in this module 7. Module 8, we are going to do a full stack project using Spring Boot, microservices, and Angular. So these are the 8 important modules what we are going to cover in this course. The duration of this course goes for 5 months, and you can attend first 3 classes for free. After attending 3 classes, you can know the style of teaching, and based on that you can take the decision. And we are going to provide lifetime access to class notes, source codes, and even the class recordings. And this batch we are going to start from 22nd April at 11 AM IST and even 7 PM IST. You can choose the slot whichever available for you based on your convenience. And for more details you can contact us at our WhatsApp number +91 93904 73579, or email us at rajtechonlinetrainings@gmail.com. And you can find more information about this course in the description of this video. Thank you.